2 years ago, at our associate farm, Thanyas, we experienced delays in identifying crop issues. As a result, we faced challenges such as reduced yields, wasted resources, and increased costs. Like us, farmer Kumar also faced significant challenges in farming. He was unable to detect crop diseases or pests at an early stage, resulting in substantial crop losses. Many farmers revealed the pressing need for a system to detect diseases and pests early, expertise in data analysis, monitor crop health remotely, minimize potential losses. Embarked on creating a solution for our challenges. So, we embarked on creating a solution that is Terramate. Terramate is a smart farming application that is practical, cost-effective, and customized. To develop the most effective solution, we collaborated with Associate Farms, leading agricultural experts, cutting-edge technology specialists. Field mapping. Our solution, field mapping, enables farmers to mark fields and analyze crop health, NDVI, and other layers to gain detailed insights into crop conditions. Disease pest detection. Terramate identifies pests and diseases using advanced image processing techniques. Detection at early stage prevents widespread damage. Crop monitoring. The application tracks crop health using satellite imagery. The farmers can make informed decisions to enhance productivity by leveraging real-time data and advanced analytics. One of the primary benefits of Terramate is that it supports timely action, minimizing crop loss and improving overall yield and profitability. It increases profit up to 25%. It helps Thanyas, Kumar, and any farmer to monitor small-large field without much physical inspections, improving efficiency.
The precise use of fertilizers and pesticides leads to significant cost savings. Sensor-based water optimization systems help reduce irrigation cost. Automated crop monitoring reduces labor expenses. Depending on the crop or field type, overall cost can be reduced by 25% to 50%. Terramate supports a significant improvement in the yield. More increased predictability and consistent yield gives confidence because of more increased stable outcomes and profits. We can leverage a strong position in competition of domestic and global markets. Due to early pest detection, we can use less harm organic fertilizers. In parallel, our team has developed the efficient agricultural robot, Farmate. With Farmate, we are able to support 24/7 operations, including weeding, seeding, and real-time monitoring. It can be seamlessly integrated with Terramate. The integration of Terramate and Farmate is a solution we believe could offer unique, valuable support to your operations. Terramate and Farmate act as twins for a complete farming support. While Terramate detects pest, disease, and weeds, it will send alerts to Farmate. Farmate will respond to the alerts and do the actions of weeding, seeding. Both can be operated standalone also without getting integrated. There are a few progressing milestones. We collaborated with Sri Venkateswara University for gathering dataset for model training, and also we are part of Krishi Boot 6.0. Incubation, ICAR NAM, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India. We are planning Terramate version 2.0 with highly efficient operations, enhanced real-time field usage, feedback implementation, mobile app upgrades, advanced AI-powered crop analysis, automated actionable insights, and continuous satellite integration. We are committed to doing our best and continually finding ways to serve you better. Efficient crop monitoring, weather alerts, disease diagnosis, and unique integration with Farmate are our competitive advantages for any farmer. Kindly contact us for more details and visit our website https:/terramate.in/thank you.